Hey guys, welcome back. Today's Friday, April 28th, and today I'm going to go hunt with my cousin Chandler. You guys have seen him before. You didn't see him last year, but the year before he killed 2 turkeys with me, so I'm waiting for him to get here. Actually, he just pulled in now. It's about 9 o'clock, and he didn't have any luck this morning. I had to work last night, but he wants to go, so we're going to see if we can't find something somewhere. We'll see how it goes, so stick with us.
This place is magical. 12:57. Dude, that's good. Woo! Attaboy!
I like this one.
Got them hooks on him, boy? Well, you knocked him stiff as a board. Okay.
Yeah, that's done. Congrats, Dad.
We just tripled. Shut up! Let's go get him. I got him whenever you can kill him, Connor. Yeah, I got him whenever you want. Hold on. Kill him. Kill him. 2 more steps. Hold on, Connor. Hold on. Kill him. Give me some. Hold on. Let him go. Take him. Did you get him? Shoot again.
Can I go up there and look?